If your Peloton is blinking red, it's likely due to an unknown error that has occurred, often related to a bike malfunction. The red blinking light is triggered by the Peloton's magnetic sensor. To address the issue, one immediate action is to detach and reattach the magnet's safety sensor. Several factors can cause this error, including an incorrectly attached safety key or issues with the surroundings of the safety key and its opening. To fix the problem, try detaching and reattaching the safety key, ensuring it is well attached and close to the handrail with the silver side facing up. It's also essential to keep the area around the safety key dry, avoiding the use of liquid cleansers, and preventing moisture buildup by keeping it free from sweat and spills. If an accident occurs, dry the area immediately to prevent any damage. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Peloton back to normal.